Let's look how to assemble a wooden bench plane. For this, you need to use a hammer and a wooden wedge to assemble all parts of the bench plane. Coming on to the process of dismantling wooden bench plane. Step 1. You can see a striking nut on the top of the plane. Use a hammer on this nut to loosen the blade and the wooden wedge. Now you can easily pick and separate the wooden wedge and blade. Further dismantling is needed if you want to resharp the blade or reset the blade. All wooden planes are assembled and dismantled in the same way. Let's now see how to dismantle a metal bench plane. For this, you need to remove the blade. Step 1. To remove the blade, first lift the lever on the lever cap and slide it from beneath its locking screw. Step 2. Lift the blade with its cap iron locking screw and slide the cap iron towards the cutting edge past the screw head through the hole of the blade, separating the two components. Step 3. To adjust the frog of the plane, release the two locking screws with the help of the screwdriver. Now let's learn the process of assembling or adjusting the metal bench plane. Step 1. Take a sharpened blade. Hold it bevel downwards and lay the cap iron across it to drop the screw head through the hole. Back off the depth adjustment to the required setting.